let's talk of the amazing journey of water.
Have you ever taken a few moments to consider the cycle of water? Flowing so easily and serenely, this water comes from rains that fell and nourished the earth hundreds of years ago.
When rain falls, the earth absorbs it. Hundreds of years later, that rain appears on the surface, like this. The cycle of water is pretty amazing. It falls to earth and is purified, and then nourishes the earth by giving life. It is an endless journey that defies imagination. Water is found in these wild forests as well. The cycle continues everywhere, throughout the full expanse of nature.
It takes about 1,000 years for groundwater to reappear on the surface. During that time, deep in the earth, water is being purified so that it can nourish the earth.